Hey everyone, nice day for a campfire. Nice fall day. Yeah, look at those logs burn. It's warm too. Let's take a look around. Shed over there. Those tractors are not mine. And back to the fire. Just letting it finish up. Pretty soon it's going to start snowing. Winter's right around the corner. Make sure to leave a like, a comment, and subscribe. And see you all in the next video.